This is a story about a boy called Charlie Bucket. Charlie's family lived in a very small house. It wasn't easy for them. They were so poor.
In Charlie's town, near his house, there was a chocolate factory. It was the biggest and most famous chocolate factory in the world. One day,
Welcome to my chocolate factory, lucky children. I'm gonna choose one of you to get my chocolate factory. You there.
Five children got the golden tickets. What will happen to them?
I have a lot of chocolate, Lucy. I got a golden ticket! A golden ticket! Oh wait, there's a golden ticket. What should I use it for? For the library. Okay, let's go into there. Wait, there's a book right there on the table. Thank you. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, written by Ron Dan, illustrated by Quentin Blank.